Got this BMW i8 here today. We're going to be putting some new tires on the front with our equipment. It's going to make it very easy. One thing really cool about this machine is it clamps the wheel right here in the center. A lot of tire machines will clamp the inside of the wheel and damage it, scratch it, put little clamp marks in it. This wheel and tire probably wasn't very well balanced with all this water in there. Good time to change. Got the rim all cleaned up. Now we're gonna put the tire on. Now these tires have an inside and an outside. So there's the inside. Tires all mounted. No scratches. On this wheel, we need to buff this sticky stuff off from the weights. I like to clean the inside of the wheel when we're dealing with a nice wheel like this. Got the wheel mounted on the balancer using this adapter plate that has these extenders that go into where the lug stud would hold the wheel on the car, so we're not touching the wheel anywhere that's going to show. I want to show you something cool. There are no weights on this wheel. Perfectly balanced. Alright, we got the new tires on. We're all finished.